In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix "We don't recognize your device" problem on Facebook. This message usually pops up when Facebook can't match your current browser session with the data it has on file. Most of the time that's caused by old or corrupted cookies. The quickest fix is to clear those cookies from your browser, then reload Facebook so it can create a fresh trusted session. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to click and why. First, open your browser. The steps I'm showing work in modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, Brave, and are very similar in Firefox and Safari. Next, open the browser menu. On Chrome, Edge, and Brave, that's the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. In Firefox, it's the three lines. On Safari, use the menu bar at the top of your screen. From the menu, open Settings. This is where your browser keeps all privacy, security, and site data controls. If you don't see settings immediately, look for a gear icon or an option labeled Preferences. Inside Settings, find Privacy and Security. This section manages cookies, cache, and permissions. We're going here because cookies are what keep you signed in and recognized across sites. Look for the option to clear or delete browsing data. You'll usually see a button that opens a panel with checkboxes for different types of data. In that panel, select cookies and other site data. You can leave everything else unchecked if you only want to reset how websites recognize your device without removing your browsing history. If you see a time range option, choosing all time is the most thorough, but if you prefer a lighter touch, a recent time range can still help. Many browsers also let you search for a specific site. If you want to keep other sites signed in, clear data just for Facebook. Confirm by clicking delete data or clear data. Your browser may warn you that this will sign you out of websites. That's expected because we're intentionally resetting the connection that tells Facebook who you are on this device. Now return to Facebook and refresh the page. If you were already on the site, press refresh, otherwise open Facebook anew. You'll likely need to sign in again, and in some cases complete a quick verification step. That's normal after clearing cookies and should resolve the device recognition error. And that's it, you opened your browser, went into settings, cleared cookies via privacy and security, and then refreshed Facebook to establish a clean recognized session.